Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dashcam TF card is probably one of the most important yet overlooked components of your dashcam system. Selecting the wrong card can lead to frustrating issues like corrupted footage, lost recordings, and even system malfunctions. This video will dive deep into what makes a TF card perfect for dashcams, helping you choose the best one to ensure you're always capturing clear, reliable footage of the road ahead, protecting yourself and your vehicle. Number 5. SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC. This card is perfect for your dashcam or home security system. It's built to last, so you can record with confidence. It's designed to record up to 10,000 hours of full HD video. That's peace of mind knowing you've got plenty of storage. It's waterproof, shockproof, and temperature-proof. It can handle whatever life throws at it. With up to 128 gigabytes of storage, it can hold tons of videos. You'll never run out of space. Captures stunning 4K UHD video. It's compatible with devices that support it, for crisp and clear recordings. Choose SanDisk for reliable performance and long-lasting storage. Get yours today. What we like. It boasts an impressive endurance rating, allowing for extended recording times. Its substantial storage capacity ensures you won't run out of space. If you need reliable 4K recording capabilities, this is the perfect option for your dashcam. What people say. This microSD card performs well in both dashcams and home monitoring systems. With a 128 GB capacity, it provides ample storage for high-quality video footage without constantly needing to be replaced or cleared. The high-endurance feature is especially beneficial for devices that record continuously, like dashcams, as it ensures durability over extended periods of use. The speed of this microSD card is impressive. The recordings are smooth, and there's no lag or stutter in the footage. This is crucial for dashcams, where capturing clear and accurate video can make all the difference. I've reviewed several recordings, and the quality has been consistently excellent. I previously had a 32 GB SanDisk High Endurance in a 2017 dashcam, still works after daily use ride-sharing daily during a 4-year period 2017 to 2020. I got this card as SanDisk quality clearly proved itself, so I could have a large buffer days before the dashcam starts erasing older video. I now own a ROVE R2-4K Pro transferred. The card works without a hitch. It's now recording 2K video, so 2x the space used per second it will works great. Number 4. Samsung Pro Endurance MicroSDXC. It's built to capture your crucial moments in high resolution, even in harsh conditions. This memory card delivers long-lasting performance, perfect for security cameras and dash cams. It's engineered to record and rewrite for up to 140,000 hours, that's over 16 years. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. It simplifies large file transfers with fast read and write speeds. You can record in high resolution, ensuring every detail is captured. It's rigorously tested to withstand magnets, X-rays, water, drops, and wear and tear. It also operates in a wide range of temperatures. It's from Samsung, the world's #1 flash memory brand since 2003. You can trust its performance and reliability. What we like. This card is built to last, promising an exceptionally long lifespan. With its extreme endurance, you can record continuously for an incredibly long time. If you prioritize longevity and high-resolution footage, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The card gives me plenty of storage for all the video footage, whether it's for my dashcam or for monitoring my property with security cameras. The write speeds are fast, and I've had no issues with video quality or storage. With read-write speeds up to 140 MB/s, it records and plays back in FHD 4K, capturing every detail of your epic road trips and parking fails. It's tested against magnets, X-rays, water, drops, and extreme temperatures. The Class 10, U3, V30 rating ensures fast and smooth recording, even in high definition. The write speed is impressive, making sure all recordings are seamless and uninterrupted, which is obviously important if it's for a dashcam or security camera. The included adapter is a handy bonus, making it versatile for use in various devices, and allowing it to be used in most PCs nowadays, so that I can download the footage if needed. Number 3. TOPESEL 32 GB micro SD card, 2-pack. Experience the speed and reliability of these high-performance memory cards. Perfect for capturing your precious moments in stunning detail. They boast read speeds of up to 80 MB/s and write speeds of up to 12 MB/s. Enjoy seamless performance, whether you're recording 4K video or transferring large files. These cards are compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, drones, cameras, and tablets. It's the perfect solution for all your memory needs. These memory cards are shockproof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray proof, ensuring your data is safe and secure, no matter the conditions. Each card offers 32 GB of storage, though the actual usable space may be slightly less due to formatting. They are 100% factory tested for ultimate quality. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day free service, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. Get 2 cards for the price of 1. It offers a practical storage capacity for everyday use. If you're on a budget but still need reliable recording, this is a great value option. What people say. Does the job as intended. Fast response time. Great storage capacity. Great video playback, document storage. Picture quality excellent. I like these SD cards. They do what they're supposed to do, they're durable and function how they're supposed to. If my phone overheats, the SD is okay. And easy to use. They were also compatible with my iPhone, my Android, and my tablet. Got these cards to use with my Wise cameras and they worked great. Number 2. ROVE Ultimate 128GB MicroSDXC. It's the ultimate solution for all your memory needs. Experience blazing fast read and write speeds for seamless performance. It boasts impressive read speeds of up to 170 MB/s and write speeds up to 100 MB/s. It meets the highest standards with Class 10, U3, A2, and V30 ratings. A high-speed USB Type-C card reader is included, making transferring your files quick and easy. Enjoy the convenience of USB 3.2 Gen 1 speeds. It's perfect for dash cams, drones, smartphones, and more. It's built to handle even the most demanding applications. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions. It's water-resistant, temperature-resistant, and even X-ray proof. What we like. Experience blazing fast read speeds for quick file transfers. It comes with a convenient card reader for easy access to your footage. If you need speed and convenience, this is the perfect choice for your needs. What people say. Easy to install, great video and audio quality. Nice quality and easy to install. Storage is awesome, as I used this for a year and still has storage easily readable and great video quality, super fast. Works perfectly with my dash cam. Number 1. KOOTION 128GB MicroSDXC card. Introducing the KOOTION 128GB MicroSDXC card. It's perfect for storing all your precious memories, from high-resolution photos to stunning 4K videos. Experience seamless performance with its impressive read and write speeds. It ensures quick file transfers and smooth playback, no more waiting. This card is built to last. It's water-resistant, shockproof, and designed to withstand extreme temperatures, keeping your data safe and secure. With 128 GB of storage, you can keep thousands of photos, videos, and songs. It's the perfect solution for freeing up space on your devices. It works with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, cameras, and tablets. It's the versatile storage solution you've been looking for. The card comes pre-formatted as exFAT. The actual usable storage space may be slightly less than advertised due to formatting and other functions. Remember, 1 GB equals 1 billion bytes. What we like. It offers a large storage capacity to hold all your recordings. Its high-speed performance ensures smooth operation. If you need a reliable, high-capacity card for various devices, this is a great option. What people say. The high-speed performance ensures smooth video recording without interruptions, and the V30 and A1 ratings make them perfect for this purpose. Working very well in my security cameras. Well designed with great features. This micro SD card works in my car camera. but the camera pops up with a message saying it's not high speed. It records and stores videos with good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.